Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove background from image. Friends, if you want to use a photo in some project or work for which you want to remove its background, then you simply need to open web browser. Now here in your browser you need to open a site remove.bg. Now in this site you need to press on upload image. Now from your gallery you need to select a photo. Now friends, as you can see, it has removed the background of the picture. Now you can download it as it is by pressing on the download button, or you can add a background to this image by pressing on background. I will add a background. From here you can select any background. I will select this background. Like this you can select any background. Now you can simply download this photo by pressing on this arrow. From here you need to press on preview. Now it will download the file on your device. Press on download. Now press on open. Now friends, as you can see, we have removed and changed the background of our image. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.